Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a resume with Canva, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Canva's website or app and log in to your account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts. In the search bar, type resume and press enter. Browse the available resume templates that suit your style and industry. Click on a template to start customizing it. Once the template opens, you can begin editing the text. Click on the text fields to input your information, such as your name, contact details, and work experience. Ensure your job titles and dates are clearly outlined. Highlight your educational background, skills, and certifications. Feel free to add or remove sections as necessary to fit your experience. Change fonts and colors to match your personal brand and preferences. To add a photo, click on the Uploads tab and upload a professional picture. Drag your photo into the designated placeholder. Adjust the size and position of the photo as needed. Use the Elements tab to insert lines, shapes, or icons for visual interest. Review the layout to ensure everything is balanced and easy to read. When you're satisfied with your design, click the Download button in the top right corner. Choose your preferred file format, such as PDF for printing or PNG for online applications. Save the file to your computer or device. Your resume is now ready to be sent out to potential employers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.